Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for September 2012. Capricornians, we start the month with a lovely transit that is of the Sun and Mercury, and it is going to be transiting your ninth house. That is a house of friendships, and it is a house of long distance travel, higher education. A lot of you will be traveling or would already be traveling foreign countries. A lot of you will be undertaking travel either on pleasure or on work, and I think it is going to benefit you greatly. A lot of you have been wanting not just to travel on work, but I think there has been a restlessness from inside which has been, wanting to just make you take off. And this month, I think it should, with the planetary alignment, it should provide you enough opportunities to go out and travel. You could also alternatively be having guests who could be traveling from other countries and coming and staying with you, and they could be either family or even very close friends who are like family. So I would say some amount of celebration is also there this month, Capricornians. A lot of you are going to be spending not just some wonderful times with your closest friends, but also going to be making plans and traveling across the world. For those of you who have been trying for admissions in colleges and in universities, this is a time where you will be getting some good news. Either your application gets accepted, or for some of you wherein there are grants and maybe special permissions and things like which involve more on the administrative side on the education, they will also you should hear some positive news around this time. For some of you who have been wanting to take another course just to make your prospects better in your industry, or for some of you who have been wanting to learn a new language for the longest of time, I think it's a great time to be doing both. Do go out and make an effort, Capricornians, and you're never too old. I think do remember that even if you're not able to apply that particular language into a workspace, or if you're not even able to get some money out of it, I think do it, because you have been just wanting to do it for the longest of time. It is something which you will not only take to very well, but it is something that will make you very happy. So plenty of opportunities to be doing it this month as well. There is also a great time, Capricornians, to be letting go of negative patterns. This is also a month of transformation for you, and I think it's a brilliant month, Capricornians. A lot of you who have been struggling with not just negativity in others but also in yourself, I think there has been some amount of an acceptance in you now that you do know that yes, should I change, things could improve for me. I think it's very important this month that you start letting go of the negative thought patterns, you start letting go of the way that you have been approaching relationships, your workplace, your colleagues, your friendships. It's a good time to be just making things more better, maybe just looking at them very differently. Approaching things differently is very, very important for you, Capricornians. Also, I think that if the planets just indicate that you have been in a space where you have been unwilling to change. There seems to be a lot of rigidity around you. There seems to be this sense of being wronged. That it has been, I am justified in being in a certain way or behaving in a certain way because that has happened to me, or an X has happened to me in the past. But the universe is telling you, that this is the time for your future relationships and for your current relationships. Should you want them to deepen and get better and nurture and flower more, this is a good time to be just letting go of all the negativity that you have inside you. Just accept it, embrace it, and just let go of it. Don't sort of, I wouldn't say shy away. I think Capricornians seldom sort of, though they are shy by nature, but I think as far as your acknowledgement of your stubbornness, rigidity is there. I think a lot of you do know that it exists, but it's just not wanting to do much about it, you know. So this month, I think if you want your relationships, even at your workplace, to better, if you want to be a better boss, if you want to be somebody whom people love working with and not fear working with, I think it's a great time to change. It's a good time just to, like I said, embrace all your negativity. Just accept that things are in a certain way, which maybe is not the perfect way, and there is always scope for change and making things better, Capricornians. So do a lot of self-work, and I think you may just enjoy doing it also. The polishing of the self is you'll like it a lot. I think try it. Start it this month. This is also a great time for a lot of you to be seeking out, if you have been looking for a counselor, if you have been looking for an expert advice, if you have been looking even for an alternate form of therapy, you could find somebody who will just sort of fit the bill for you, Capricornians. It will just sort of you know, feel right. The therapy or the counseling. It's a good time also, I think, at times when we are looking for at times calling in for expert advice, or when we are calling for you know, some amount of counseling, we are not able to find the right people at times. But at this time, should you seek out, it will just sort of all fall. Publishers as well, this is a great time to be not just sending in your scripts and your drafts for approval, but this is also a great time for recognition. Sun is going to be lighting up your 10th house, and that is a house of career, reputation, accolades, recognition. A lot of you are going to be hearing some amount of good news, Capricornians. So do go ahead and submit your drafts, submit your scripts. It's a great time wherein the projects or the things that you have submitted will receive some form of a good news. This is also a great time to be picking up projects which have been just stagnated or have not sort of seen the daylight as well. So again, going back to, for those of you who are in the creative field, for those of you who write, and have sort of written, have a half-written book somewhere, it's a good time to be picking it up and rolling the project again. I think you will also have or have a sense of creativity just flowing through you. It's a good time to be not just finishing unfinished tasks, but it is also a good time wherein your creativity will also be peaking up. So try and pick up on all the you know, projects and generally work that is lying unfinished around you for the longest of time. It will be a good time that you will be able to put it to some form of a completion. So overall, a good September, Capricornians. I'll see you again in October, and thank you so much for watching.